Hey folks, need a firewall for your home or small business? Today we're comparing Netgate's pfSense and Firewalla in a quick head-to-head. We'll explain each, compare them, and help you decide which is best for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have Netgate's pfSense. It's an open-source firewall platform built on FreeBSD known for its flexibility. You get advanced features like VPNs, traffic shaping, and deep packet inspection. It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want total control. Netgate offers appliances like the 2100, starting at around $350 with no subscription fees. But it has a steep learning curve and requires manual setup, so it's not beginner-friendly. Next, Firewalla. This is a plug-and-play firewall designed for ease of use. Models like the Purple SE or Gold Pro, priced from $200 to $600, offer parental controls, ad blocking, and VPN support. Its mobile app makes managing your network a breeze, even for non-techies. Firewalla handles up to 10 GB per second on high-end models, but lacks the deep customization of pfSense. So, how do they stack up? pfSense shines for power users needing enterprise-grade features and custom setups. Think home labs or small businesses with IT expertise. Firewalla is perfect for homes or small offices wanting simplicity and quick deployment. pfSense is cheaper for advanced hardware but demands more time. Firewalla's higher cost buys user-friendliness. For tech enthusiasts, pfSense wins. For plug-and-play, Firewall's your pick. That's it, guys. Check out our chart below to compare, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay secure.